Today I'm gonna set up the new Ring alarm, so let's see what we've got in the box. Here is the base station. Our instructions. Our keypad. Our motion sensor. Range extender. And our contact sensor. As always, we have everything we need in the box. Let's get started by setting up the base station. And plug into the base station here. Add a device. Alarm. And then we're gonna press the pairing button. Okay, let's find my base station. All right, now we're connecting. All right, we're all set up. All right, so the Ring keypad has added itself automatically when you plug it in. Okay, we're gonna put this in the kitchen. I like the keypad on this table, but you can also mount it using these brackets here. But I'm going to take this off and put it up like that. The cool thing about the range extender is it will connect all of my devices to the base station, even though they may be far apart from each other. So let's get it added. Okay, we're gonna put this in the living room. All right, now we're gonna add the contact sensor. We need to pull the tab from the unit. It's now adding. Using the contact sensor install kit on our front door. Here's the tape on that one. Okay, we're gonna place this right here. Now I'm gonna match up the magnet to the sensor. Okay, now we're gonna set up the motion sensor by pulling the tab. All right, device is added, let's set it up. Okay, this is gonna be in the entryway. Okay, since we're gonna mount it in the corner, we need to put the tape on the sides here. Okay, now we're gonna mount here in the corner. All right, now we're all set. All right, now that our system's installed, I'm going to set the alarm and leave.